Hi, my name is Shaban and welcome to the Kiira Vehicle Plant, the first and the biggest electric vehicle manufacturing plant on the continent. Now, we have been training fire safety for our staff for the past 4 days, and this is the final day. We are here with
David,
David, and you are a certified fire trainer.
fire trainer, yes.
And he has been incredibly amazing training our staff in the theory but also in the practical sessions of why it is important for us to have these skills. Now, David, for a plant like this that is the first of its kind and setting the pace for electric mobility on the continent, why is this important for us to be able to do this for our staff?
Well, Shaban, this is a very big investment, so it's very important to protect our investments. Therefore, it's important to install the right equipment and also train the staff on how, most importantly, to prevent fire and also use this equipment when fire breaks out. So this exercise, to me, has been a success. As you can see, the trainees have been able to do what exactly we have trained them to do.
Right.
They've been exercising on how to put out, use the equipment on site, and now we're proceeding for the practical exercise on how to use fire extinguishers.
Right, and for the practical sessions, we've learned how to evacuate the building in case of a fire. We have also learned about what you need to do in case there's a fire alarm. We've learned how to use firefighting equipment like the hose reels, the hydrants, and now we are on our way to see how we can use the fire extinguishers. Obviously, David here is experienced and he will be teaching us about which extinguishers you can use for what fires and how best you can handle those extinguishers. Now, David, what has been your highlight for this training? What has been your most favorite thing?
My favorite thing has been the participation of the trainees. They've welcomed the training and they've exhibited the desire to train and participate in the practical exercise. To me, this is a very wonderful opportunity to share with them and also add something to our nation.
Awesome. So for someone who has not been a part of these trainings and is watching this video, what would be your top tips on what they can do in case of a fire?
Okay, this is what I encourage. Number one, prevention. You can never fight a fire and you succeed. There's always going to be loss.
Right.
So with such investments, we need to front prevention. Wherever there's fire, there's always loss. Prevention is the number one way to go.
Right.
Two, you need to know what to do when fire breaks out. If you don't know what to do, you're likely to cause loss of lives and loss of property. Then we also have the fire equipment on site. Ideally, you need to know how to use them, especially the fire extinguishers.
Yeah.
Fire extinguishers are designed for small fires, only useful when the fire is just starting. You fail to manage it when it's still young, you're bound to fail. Okay.
Alrighty, and most importantly, if you do not know what to do, please reach out for help. We have the contacts of all our fire and safety champions. Reach out to them and they'll be able to guide you on what you can do in case of a fire. If not, watch this video and get everything you need to know about fire safety trainings.